Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please send me nice comments, like my videos, most of all, share and subscribe. I try to do a bunch of tricks here, show you how to do things and, show you that you can't break what's already broken, so you might as well try to, break it some more or maybe fix it even. So here we go. We got a windshield visor that keeps flopping down. I hope you don't get mad at me about this video, but I think it's funny and it's going to be real quick. So my windshield visor keeps popping down, and I'm going to take and pop this plastic piece off of here with a screwdriver, and then I'm going to take out 2 Phillips screws out of there, and then we'll be able to unplug the little wiring harness for the lip mirror. We got the cover off. Now we'll remove the 2 Phillips screws. We've got the visor hanging down, so we're going to take and pop the little clip off of here and disconnect it. Then we're going to take it and throw it in the trash because there's no way to fix it. Sorry, I just destroyed this one because it was already broken and it was driving me crazy going down, flopping down in my face all the time. So I thought, well, if I cut it apart, at least I can show people how to, take the pliers and squeeze this mechanism together, which is the mechanism that holds it. But that didn't work. So I thought, well, I might as well post a YouTube video of, there's no way to fix this. This is garbage, so just throw it in the trash, get another one from the junkyard. Sorry. Like, share my videos, comment, subscribe. I don't blame you if you don't subscribe to this one because I really didn't help you out at all, but I did tell you that you don't have to waste time trying to squeeze this together and not be able to fix it because it's junk. Have a great day. God bless. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you.